iScan has a variety of different sounds to notify you on the status of the scanner. Especially when the scanner is in operation, it alerts you that the scanning operation is active with a sound notification. These sound notifications can be turned off or changed for different tones. The instructions on using the audio feedback settings will be handled on a separate training video. You can turn off the sound feedback by clicking Menu, Setting, Use Audio Feedback Off. You can verify that after the modification, the scanner will not produce any audio feedback when in operation.